Hello and welcome to a quick overview of zabbix. So what exactly is zabbix? Zabbix is a fully open source, enterprise-level monitoring solution that offers a single pane of glass view of your entire IT infrastructure stack, from servers, virtual machines, network devices to applications, websites, container and cloud infrastructures. Zabbix can monitor it all. With Zabbix, you can collect an unlimited number of metrics from any source. From large, distributed organizations collecting millions of metrics from hundreds of thousands of devices to managed service providers and even home labs, Zabbix can be as simple, scalable, and as flexible as you require. Zabbix provides the tools necessary to monitor your IT infrastructure on any level. In addition to collecting and analyzing availability and status metrics, alerting and data visualization, Zabbix can be used for many other needs. Monitor your infrastructure resource utilization and use Zabbix to plan your IT budget accordingly. Zabbix can help you keeping track of the installed software and the latest updates. Receive a notification whenever a new update is available or a new application is installed in your environment. Monitor network ports, check for changes in password files, and analyze security logs to prevent unnecessary IT security vulnerabilities. Leverage the built-in Zabbix inventory collection features and use the collected metrics to automatically provide and track information about your hosts, such as their hardware, software and network information, location, and any other inventory information that you wish to collect. Take your monitoring to the next level with Zabbix by monitoring your business services, deploying SLA reports, and utilizing the automated root cause analysis features to minimize your business service downtimes, and use Zabbix to automatically resolve the detected problems by executing remote commands. Enhance the observability of your distributed microservice architecture and track the behavior of your individual containers and Kubernetes deployments. The state of your microservices and overall infrastructure can be displayed on Zabbix dashboards, providing your team with the information needed to analyze the state and health of your applications and systems. Dashboards are comprised of flexible widgets. The widget selection ranges from metric and problem displays, geographical and network maps, to top host lists, SLA overviews, graphs, and more. Each widget can have a unique set of filters and supports multiple visualization options to fit the end user's visualization requirements. The collected metrics can be displayed in highly customizable graph views. Zabbix graphs support multiple draw styles, aggregated metric displays, custom time period selection, and can be interacted with to display the metric behavior in a particular time period. Zabbix provides a vast selection of official templates for the most popular vendors. Zabbix users are not limited to using only the official templates. Create your own template or download one from our community template repository. To get started, create a host representing your monitoring endpoint and select the appropriate monitoring template for it. Once a template has been assigned, you can access a list of collected metrics or display them in a graph view. The main Zabbix template elements are items and triggers. Items can utilize agent-based and agent-less data collection methods. Deploy the official Zabbix agent to easily collect OS-level metrics, or use the industry-standard monitoring technologies, such as SNMP polling and SNMP traps, HTTP endpoint monitoring, IPMI, SSH and Telnet monitoring, and more. You can even write your own custom commands and scripts to collect the result as a metric. Zabbix triggers use logical expressions to define a potential problem state. Once a trigger expression is evaluated as true, a problem event is generated by Zabbix, and your team can receive a problem notification. Trigger expressions can be as simple or as complex as you require. The ability to tailor trigger expressions to your needs ensures that no problem goes unnoticed, while at the same time minimizing the amount of noise and false alerts that could have an adverse effect on your monitoring workflows. Do you wish to forward your alerts from Zabbix to an external system? Integrate Zabbix with ITSM solutions, helpdesk systems, or messengers. You can choose between using the official webhook integrations, creating your own custom integrations, or download a community solution from the Zabbix community repository. In real-life scenarios, many of your monitoring endpoints are going to be unique and will contain a varying number and type of components that you wish to monitor, such as network interfaces, hard drives, processors, applications and services, clusters, and more. Zabbix low-level discovery is used to discover and start monitoring such entities. Low-level discovery rules use customizable item and trigger prototypes to create regular items and triggers for each discovered entity and saving you hundreds of hours of manual work. Host onboarding and offboarding can also be fully automated. Zabbix provides all the tools necessary to automatically discover your hosts and assign the required templates and access permissions for them. With Zabbix, you can scan a network segment to discover your services. Define an IP address range and select the type of service and the port that you wish to scan. Once a service is discovered, a host is automatically created for it, and a set of templates can be applied to ensure automatic metric collection and problem detection on the host. Zabbix agent hosts are also capable of automatically forwarding their metadata to your Zabbix instance. This way, Zabbix can autonomously create hosts and link templates for each monitoring endpoint where Zabbix agent is running. Scale and distribute your monitoring across different regions all over the globe. Deploy Zabbix proxies to prevent data loss in case of an unexpected network outage, and horizontally scale up your data collection as your monitored infrastructure expands over time. Zabbix proxy is a small, easy-to-deploy component that can collect, process, and compress data from remote data centers and forward the processed information to your Zabbix instance, thus mitigating the performance impact on your central Zabbix server. All of the collected data, as well as the status of the Zabbix proxies, can be observed and managed from a single pane of glass view. Communication between each and every Zabbix component can be secured with TLS encryption. Deploy certificate or pre-shared key encryption to secure your data flows. Define password complexity criteria to prevent dictionary and brute force attacks. And store your most sensitive information in a secure secret vault. With Zabbix, you are the sole owner of your data. Zabbix does not send any kind of telemetry information to external parties and does not require a connection to the internet. Managed service providers can leverage the flexible Zabbix permission and user role logic to isolate access between customers in a multi-tenant environment. In addition, you can integrate zabbix with LDAP and SAML to provision secure user logins across your infrastructure. Additionally, zabbix provides an extensive set of API methods and objects. The zabbix API can be used to retrieve any information from your zabbix instance, integrate zabbix with third-party systems, automate your daily tasks such as host and proxy deployments, and much more. Each API object and method is thoroughly documented, and a set of examples is provided to ensure a quick and smooth learning process. Now it's time for you to put zabbix through its paces. The official packages together with download and install instructions are available in the zabbix download page. Simply select the desired zabbix version, your OS distribution, database and web server backend, and follow the provided instructions to install zabbix. Zabbix also provides official images for the most popular cloud vendors such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and more. If you prefer using Docker, you can find links to Docker images for individual Docker containers on our website. But that's not all. Zabbix also provides a broad selection of professional services delivered by an experienced team of engineers, trainers, and partners. Whether it's initial deployment or migration from a legacy tool, annual technical support, comprehensive training to get your team fully up to speed with the software, or anything else zabbix related, we've got your back. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a message to sales@zabbix.com, and we will gladly assist you with your first steps in the zabbix monitoring world.